IT band syndrome. It is the irritation of the iliotibial band right here. Usually it tends to be tight, however it does not necessarily cause pain. When it does cause pain, then we need to balance the muscles of the leg so that IT band is not so hyperactive. If your IT band is painful, and the first thing you should do is to decrease the inflammation of that area, and you can do that through using ice, or you can put some medication over the area to decrease pain. Other things you can do include the use of Kinesiotape that will inhibit hyperactive iliotibial band. Because of the inflammation, there will be increased tension in the iliotibial band as well as the associated and connected muscles. So it most likely will be tight all throughout the lateral side. Something you can do to help decrease that tension and therefore decrease some irritation is to massage the area. You don't have to position the roller where the iliotibial band is. You can just position it here, which is still connected to the muscle and the tendon, and you can start there and you roll back and forth. There is a way to stretch your iliotibial band, although I don't recommend it, because if you have a strained iliotibial band and you stretch it, it may become more irritated. But if you want to give it a gentle stretch, I may give you some pain relief. You can do that by simply crossing your leg like so, and you lean the opposite direction. These are all ways to manage the symptoms, but to get to the root cause, we have to actually strengthen specific muscles that will alleviate pressure on the IT band. Now, the function of the iliotibial band and the associated muscle, tensor fasciae latae, their job is to abduct the leg. But there is a better muscle that you can use to do the same exact movement, and that is your gluteus medius. And you're going to keep your hips and your feet flat against the wall. Bring the leg up like this. If you don't use the wall, your legs tend to float forward. When you do that, the IT band becomes more active. When you use the wall as a tactile cue, reminds your body to stay in line so that the gluteus medius becomes a more active one. You can also do the same exercise, but you can extend your hips slightly and then do your hip abduction. Another position that I really like to train gluteus medius for the sake of correcting the imbalance between IT band and the rest of the leg muscles is in this position. We're going to extend the hip, but I'm going to add a diagonal angle to this. I'm going to bring the leg out and back. This is a combination of hip extension and abduction. And when we do that, your gluteus medius will be the most active one. There are other great exercises to strengthen the gluteus medius, such as sideline clamshell or the hydrant. These are also great options to strengthen the gluteus medius. With all of these exercises, you can easily add resistance to them by either using a resistance band or an ankle weight.